Hello guys, welcome back. Hello to my subscribers as well. Thanks for checking in today. If you're not subscribed, click on the Jeep symbol in the bottom right hand corner. Click the bell button, that will keep you up to date with notifications when I bring out new videos as well. So today guys, we're going to look at something quite quick and simple here with some slow motion stuff. And that is double declutching with the Jeep. It was something I was doing when the transmission was not working quite as well as it should be. And it's something you can do to baby a synchronizer which is worn if you need to do that. So it's a great skill to have really actually, and it does help with, even with good synchronizers, you know, you can look after them quite well with this. So what it is then guys, is instead of the synchronizer doing the work then when we change from third to second, when the second gear has to be sped up, the cluster gear has to be sped up, and the input shaft has to be sped up. So instead of making the synchronizer do all that work, we can do that ourselves, and it's a very straightforward process to do actually. All it is then is instead of putting the clutch in, shifting from third to second, and then letting the clutch out, all you do instead guys is you go clutch in, shift into neutral, clutch out, accelerate, clutch in, shift into second, let the clutch out gently and feed in the accelerator so that the engine revs match the transmission speed. And that's all we're going to do here. So you can see here guys then, let's do it at high speed then. You're going to see the clutch goes in, we shift into neutral, clutch goes out, accelerate, clutch in, shift into second, clutch out, feed it out, and that's it guys. So on the side view here guys, we're going to see the same thing then. Clutch in, neutral, clutch out, accelerate, clutch in, second, clutch out with an accelerator at the same time. That's all there is to it guys, it's quite straightforward then. Let's go down to slow-mo then, you can see it much more straightforward here. So we're just driving along at the moment and we're shortly going to change down then. So it's going to be clutch in first, there we go, up into neutral, clutch is now just being let out quickly, accelerators going on at the same time, so the engine's now being blipped up, that second gear and cluster gear are all being spun up to match the speed of the wheels. Clutch goes back in, shifting down easily because the speeds are matched between the synchronizer and the output shaft, and then clutch is going to come out gently and slowly while feeding in the accelerator to match the revs of the engine with the speed of the drivetrain, okay, so that we don't put excessive wear on the clutch plate. So that's all there is to it guys, it's quite a straightforward process then. That's double declutching. It's going to save synchro wear for you, it gives you smoother changes as well, there's less likely of any sort of clashing or grinding, it'll make your synchros last longer and your gearbox last longer. And if you've got a worn gearbox as well, you know, you can baby it for a very long time, there's going to be no grinding, so you know, you don't really even need the synchros, so you can run a transmission which really has no synchros pretty much using this method. So it is a good method to use guys, and I would recommend it. But that's it from me today guys, hope you enjoyed that little video and I'll see you next time.